Take a ride in the 2018 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, FWD, navigation system, smart device integration. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.